Abhi, many thanks for joining us. Now, US-based Baron Capital Group has marked down Swiggy's valuation by 40%. It's pegged it at just over $6 billion. The markdown comes days after Invesco cut its valuation for Swiggy. This was the second time in 4 months. Akhil is standing by with the details. Akhil, so markdowns coming in for Swiggy and, of course, many others.
That's right. Baron Capital has slashed the value of its holding in Swiggy by 40%, bringing the food and grocery delivery giant's valuation down to $6.4 billion from $10.7 billion earlier. In fact, the US-based Baron Capital has kept the value of its holding below investment value for at least 4 out of 5 quarters since picking up a stake in January 2022. That's when Swiggy raised a $700 million round in its Series K round at a valuation of $10.7 billion. Baron Capital is not the only investor to have exercised a valuation markdown in Swiggy. Last week, we reported that Invesco had cut Swiggy's valuation for the second time in less than a year to $5.5 billion. Invesco also implied that it observes other market participants in determining fair value of its holdings in a portfolio startup. That brings up the comparison with Zomato, which is Swiggy's key competitor. Zomato has seen its market capitalization slip by nearly 50% since listing in mid-2021. And its market cap has largely hovered between $5.5 to $7 billion this year, which Swiggy's investors seem to be targeting while they reset their books. Now, besides Swiggy, a series of India's most valued startups have suffered valuation markdowns. Oyo, Ola, PharmEasy, Pine Labs, and even India's most valued startup, the edtech giant Byju's. Back to you.
Akhil, many thanks for joining us. With that.